Looking to take your productivity to the next level? Discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time. From seamless scheduling to hidden features that will keep you organized, you won't want to miss these expert insights. It really transforms your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Google Calendar is our based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional schedules. So, firstly, to effectively use Google Calendar, you have to familiarize yourself with event creation. So you have just to create an event like that, reminders and requiring appointments as well to streamline scheduling. Sharing options are essential for collaboration with colleagues or family, so you have just to share with your family or colleagues. Integrate Google Calendar with email and task management tools to boost productivity. Customize your calendar with color coding and notifications to suit your preferences. With these features, you can efficiently manage your time and stay organized. So I will show you how you can do that. Firstly, I will just create. So let's just start with the event. Alright, so here we have, if you want to add, firstly add a title, and here you select the time. For example, I will select if it's Saturday, or you select also here the time, and I will select also if it's all day, or you will select here the time zone as well. Alright, you can just right now add here time, and you find a time here. You can add a guest, and also we have here add Google Meet video conferencing. Also you can add location, a description, or a Google Drive attachment. Then you can also add here the time. For example, I will add here if I am busy, and also as I mentioned before, you can also add here the color or the code here. For example, you'll find this one. If you just see this color, you will just remember the event. And then we have here, you select if you are free or busy. Then you select if for default visibility, if it's public or private. Or then we have also here the time 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before, and we have 1 hour before as well. Then you can add notification here, and also you click over save. So this is for this one. And then we have also here task as well. So about the task, we can firstly add a title as you can see. Then you can also select the time. For example, I will select here this time, this day, sorry, and this title. Then I will select also here the time, and I will select if I want here, for example, all day, or I want here does not repeat. For example, daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annually on October 19, or we have also here every weekday, and we have also here custom as well. And here we have my task also, and if you want to add description as well. Then this is for task. Then we have the last one, which is appointment schedule. About this one, you can just first of all here we have bookable appointment schedule. You can just select here if take a tour or a feedback as well. So if you take a tour, here we have it. And also you add a title here, appointment duration, how long should each appointment last. For example, if it is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours, or custom also. Alright, here we have, if you select custom, you select here if it's custom 2 hours or 1.5 hours. Here we have take a tour if you want. For example, about this one, you will find schedule just go easier, automatic updates to avoid conflicts, share your parking page easily, more info to be prepared. Then we have here feedback. About the feedback, here send feedback to Google, describe your feedback, and here we have capture screenshot. We may email you for more information or updates, and you send it. We have click to add a screenshot. Okay, got it, and you add it. All right, Then here we have if one appointment duration, as I said, in general availability, and we have repeat weekly here if one doesn't repeat, and also custom. You select here the time that you want. For example, I don't want Monday and also Tuesday, also Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then also select the time that you want, if it's on Morocco, USA, or other country. Then we have scheduling window. About this one, you have limited time range that appointments can be booked. For example, available now or start and the end dates, limit the date range for all appointments. We have also maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. So we have here also select the days. Then also here we need time before the appointment start that it can be booked, and it's like for example 4 hours. And here we have the option of adjusted availability, indicate times you are available for specific dates. You can just change a date's availability. Then we have also here booked appointment settings. For example, here we choose buffer time and time between appointment slots. So we have here we select how many minutes, and here you have maximum booking per day also. For example, limit how many booked appointments to accept in a single day. For example, I will select here 4, or you can just select 3 per day. Then we have guest permissions as well. Guests can invite others. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. Then we have calendars also here. For example, select the color. Then you select here check calendars for availability. Bookable times won't be available during any event created or accepted on my calendar. And here we have connect more calendars, link multiple calendars to avoid scheduling conflicts. Get this and more with a Google One Premium plan. Then you click for next. Then also we have here my calendars, for example birthdays, tasks. Then we have here other calendars, holiday in Morocco, and this is it. Then we have also here if we want to add notes, and we have also here tasks, contacts, if want also location, and we have here get add-ons. So you can just take a note right now, and you add here your note, and you click for done. You can also put it pin note, and this is it. So Google Calendar is a powerful user-friendly tool that helps individuals and teams manage schedules, set reminders, and organize tasks. Its integration with other Google services and accessibility across devices make it essential for staying organized and on top of commitment. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. So have a fantastic day ahead, and you can just get started with Google Calendar if you want to. Don't forget your birthdays of your friends or your family or your close friends or close people, I mean, and also your events or your special things or your to-do list of each day. So this is it. See you again in the next video.